The first step is to plug in the power cord. Then press the right power switch to turn it on. Turn the switch up. After power on, click here to choose your language. After turning on the machine, click Reset. Then what tools are you going to sharpen? If you need to sharpen a 4-edged milling cutter, select Milling Cutter. Click for edges. Here the upper right corner is the diameter slider. If you want to choose a 10 mm one, then slide down and click 10 mm. After popping up this box, click Confirm. Now hit the Start button, or use a physical button. Start now. Now the machine is working. And the red is the emergency pause button. This is the stop button. This start button. Look. Here, tools sharpening dust collects here. There is a fan here. And this accessory here, wrench, power cord. Different types of collets, high precision or 30 to collets. This is the light and its switch.